Welcome to my demo of the K4ü autopilot. The K4ü was a single axis autopilot acting on the rudder of the aircraft. It was the standard autopilot of the Luftwaffe at the start of the war, and it was applied in many aircraft like the Junkers 88, the Heinkel 111, Messerschmitt 110 and others. I've built the autopilot on a rotating model to be able to demonstrate it. And this is actually the rudder servo, which is the core unit of the autopilot. Behind this lid it contains the rate gyro and the whole mechanism for calculating the rudder movements. When I move the model around, we get to the instrument cluster, which a little bit more on the instrument cluster, as it was standard on all autopilot equipped aircraft. On the left we have the Patin magnetic compass repeater, to the right of which is the LKU4 Koerskreisel, a gyro compass. The two are mechanically coupled so that the outer rows of the magnetic compass and the top card of the gyro compass are in sync. Above the compass is a course indicator, which basically magnifies the deviation of the gyro compass. Finally, there's a little blinker instrument that shows that the bombardier has control. If I turn it a little bit further, we can see a few more elements. This is the rudder motor, which moves the compass cards of the compass and the gyro, some resistor boxes, and here we have some switches to control the autopilot. So let's turn it on. It's going to be quite noisy now. Right. So the autopilot is now stable, and you can see that all the instruments are neatly aligned. You see that the compass is turned to the 12 o'clock position. You can see that the two cards of the gyro compass match, and you can see that the course indicator is in the middle. If I move it from the side, you will see that the course indicator and all the instruments move from their central position. If the aircraft gets thrown off course for some reason, the autopilot will go to Earth. I'll give it a bit of a swing. And look how the rudder servo is at full tilt trying to stop the movement. And now it's coming back and it slowly returns the aircraft to the set position. When it's there, it slows down and everything is back to where it should be. The aircraft is back on its set. If I want to change the set course, I use a little switch, a thumb switch that was built in the control column of the pilot. And by going left or alternatively right, you will see that the instrument will start to turn, and so does the autopilot. There are actually three speeds on this switch. I will now very slowly return it. Alternatively, the bombardier can control the aircraft through the autopilot during the bomb run. This is the bombardier switch, and if I switch it on, you will see there's a little blinker coming on here to show the pilot that the bombardier's got control. The bombardier now has a left-right switch to very slowly and accurately control the aircraft. This actually works much slower than the pilot switch for extra accuracy. Thank you for watching my K4 autopilot demo video.